Hey guys, just wanted to share a little tip with you when you're working on AZEK Timbertech rails. In order for the stair rails, you have to drill at an angle through the top rail. So a lot of times you put the rail on like this, you'll put it through there, drill at an angle through, and come out the other side. The problem I have with that is, if this is your top rail, where you attach your baluster is right here. So if you're drilling down through, there's a chance that your drill bit can be at a slight angle and it can throw off the placement of your spindle. So what I do is flip this rail over. So this is where our spindle will attach, and that's where it'll attach to the bottom. Set it on like this, making sure to line up those ends right there. And then this end is actually going to be recessed in a little bit because of where it hits the post. So then I will drill and mark all those, mark every single hole, and then take it and drill down through. So where I install my screw goes from here, comes out here, which will line up perfect with these holes here. So nice little tip to make sure your spindles stay nice and straight at the 4x4 or 6x6 post.